there, it's Amelia with WTI, and today I'm gonna show you the beautiful lip oil that I love to use. This is the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil in the shade Chocolate. I love to use lip oil for a lot of reasons, and I'm gonna tell you all of them. The first one is that once I apply the lip oil, my lips look natural. It doesn't have like a lot of color, and that's what I like. Sometimes I prefer a natural look, and this hydrates my lips, moisturizes my lips. And something interesting is that once I apply the lip oil, it looks like I have gloss on, but it doesn't feel sticky. So that's really cool. So if you are looking for a beautiful lip oil that moisturizes and hydrates your lips and at the same time give you this natural look, I highly recommend this one. This is the Clarins Lip Comfort Oil in the shade Chocolate. I love it so much, I highly recommend it, and that's my point of view.